For the first method, you want to head over to search and then type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then next to the audio troubleshooter, you want to click on run. Once this pops up, the Windows audio troubleshooter will start running, and then you can answer all these questions and then follow through with it, and it might fix your problem. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to expand audio inputs and outputs, and then you want to find your output device, which might be like your headset or some speakers. So for me, it's both of these ones right here. So I'm going to right click on it, and then you want to disable the device. I'm not going to do it because I'm recording this video right now, but once you disable the device, you want to right click on it again and then enable the device, and then see if that works. But if it's still not working, then you want to update it. So you want to right click on it and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best driver has been installed for your output device or devices. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom and click on more sound settings. Then you want to make sure that your correct device is set as a default device, which will give you the green tick. The way to do that is by clicking on it and then click on set default and then click on OK. For the last method, we're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to click on any service and click on W on our keyboard, which will bring us down, and we want to look for Windows Audio. Once you find it, you want to double click on it and then make sure that the startup type is on automatic and that the service status is running. Click on start to make it running. But if the service status was already running and the startup type was already on automatic, then you want to click on stop and then click on start again. Once you complete everything in this video, restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.